does their schoolwork seriously, does well, takes school. What? Now you see, this little bird doesn't know it. Oh,
Portland loved that bird today. And of course, the other reason this is so amazing is because God bless Portland. And the whole idea of putting a bird on it in Portland specifically.
And we put birds on things.
I'm proud of more than 11,000 absolutely thrilled Portland supporters. Bernie Sanders literally did put a bird on it. I mean, this is like a liberal TV dream come true.
Put a bird on it. A man who seeks the truth. Put a bird on it. A man who got the knowledge. Put a bird on it.
Now there's a bird. It's flying. It's free.
Almost literally, this is a liberal TV dream come true.
We need to overrun Bernie Sanders.
Bernie embraces everybody in the, immigrants and African Americans, Native Americans, people who were here before us. I mean, he's a man who will bring a spirit of humanity to America that we love.
I think there may be some symbolism here.
A sign of world peace from the heavens.
Also, I'm a very big anti-war person, and I think that what Bernie talks about in terms of the peace movement really is going to work. It's going to embrace people all over the world.
I know it doesn't look like it, but that bird is really a dove asking us for world peace. No more wars.
So pretty.
You like that, ma'am?
Fantastic.
Put a bird on it.